My name is Jack, and I'm a rising senior at SAR High School, and this is my starter project, the useless machine. The point of the useless machine is basically to undo itself. So you're going to flip this switch right here, and what it does is an arm comes up and it's going to flip it right back. So in a more in-depth look at what I did inside, basically everything is soldered into a PCB board, which is basically going to connect everything electrically and kind of hold certain things together. So I started by soldering in the switch, which I actually originally did a bit slanted, but from there I learned that I could open the hole and kind of how to adapt moving forward. And then after that, things went well, and I added the resistors, which help control the electrical current, and the screw terminals in which the wires from the battery and the motor are able to connect to the circuit board, and the snap switch, which the arm holds right against, and basically when the arm goes up, it releases from that, which allows currents to flow. So what happens is when I turn the switch, that's going to turn the motor on clockwise, and that's going to also allow the LED to go on green. And then once the arm reaches the switch and hits it back, the motor will then start turning counterclockwise through, and what allows it to do that is the H-bridge inside of it, which allows the current to change directions of flow, and then it's going to start going back down, and also will allow the light to turn red. And then once the arm reaches the point where it started, which is next to this snap bridge, once it's pushing back on that, it's going to have the arm stop moving, and it's going to let the light go off. This was a great project. I learned how to solder in doing it, and I really got a better idea for figuring things out on my own, and I think it's going to help me out a lot when I move on to my main project.